guys, so we're back at it again with another YouTube video, and I've already got all the things flowing. So in this video, we're going to really focus on bleaching the knots of a T-part wig and learning how to customize it. As you can see here, there's not a lot of space on the lace to kind of give a more natural appeal, but in this video, you will see how I work my magic and get it all figured out. Alright guys, so I'm just going to let that sit on there for about 20 minutes minimum. I use this for all of my wigs. I kind of use that as a good little starting point. However, if the knots are not bleached to my liking, I will leave it on there for an extra 7 minutes and kind of set a timer to monitor it over time. Eventually, you will see the difference, and that's when you will decide to go ahead and wash everything out with the purple shampoo that I showed in the video, and you begin your plucking process. As you guys can see, the plucking process didn't take very long. I only have an inch of space to work with on T-part wigs, so it's not like you can do much anyway. However, I do tend to underpluck my wigs, as I mentioned before, because I just am very scared of having any balding issues. I haven't had any. I've worn all of my wigs for at least a year at a time, and that's like, you know, just cheap little Amazon wigs. So it's worked pretty much for me. And you see, I'm periodically looking down because we will have a little surprise visitor. Her name is Lily, and she is a 13-year-old Yorkie, and I just love her oh so much. That is literally my baby girl. And now I'm going to spend the rest of the video just styling the wig, and at the end I'll insert some clips on how it turned out. I was in a bit of a rush, so I didn't get to actually show you the parts where I actually placed it on my head, cut the lace and all that good stuff, but enjoy this content.